Three tiers of tax preparation exist for solo coaches, and the right tier depends on your situation rather than on how much you want to spend. DIY tax software handles a clean Schedule C return. An enrolled agent covers moderate complexity at lower cost than a CPA. A CPA is the right call when entity structure, multi-state nexus, S-corp election, or QBI optimization enter the picture. This unit walks the decision and adds tax prep specific filters on top of Module 3.3. Three tiers. Tax software. You do it yourself with TurboTax Self-Employed, FreeTaxUSA, H&R Block, or TaxAct. Enrolled agent, a licensed tax professional, IRS authorized for representation, typically priced below CPA rates. CPA, the full credential with the highest complexity capacity, the right tier for S-corp returns, multi-state filing, and QBI optimization near the phase-out. The right tier is determined by the structural facts of your situation, entity, nexus, election status, not by your preference for spending more or less. DIY tax software is sufficient when the return shape stays simple. Sole prop or single member LLC, not S-corp. Straightforward schedule. C. No multi-state nexus beyond your home state. No employees and contractors below the simple thresholds. No foreign income or foreign accounts. No K-1 income from another entity. When all those conditions hold, DIY software handles Schedule C plus Schedule SE plus estimated tax calculations cleanly. TurboTax Self-Employed and H&R Block Self-Employed are the brand name options. FreeTaxUSA is a fraction of the cost and competent for most coach situations. 4 DIY products handle the Schedule C scenario. TurboTax Self-Employed is the most familiar and the most expensive of the 4, with the smoothest interview interface, H&R Block. Self-Employed has similar features at a lower price point. FreeTaxUSA charges a fraction of the brand name competitors and handles most coach returns competently. The interface is plainer, the math is the same. TaxAct Self-Employed sits in the middle. All 4 cover Schedule C, Schedule SE, and estimated tax. Pick on price and interface preference, not on capability for a clean Schedule C. An EA fits the middle of the complexity spectrum at lower cost than a CPA. Coaches who want professional review without CPA level cost. Moderately complex Schedule C situations, home office, mileage, equipment depreciation, but not S-corp complexity. Coaches who received an IRS notice and need representation. EAs have the same audit representation authority as CPAs at lower average cost. Coaches who want year-round access to a tax professional for questions, beyond a once-a-year filing relationship. The NAEA, National Association of Enrolled Agents, is the directory for finding EAs with self-employment specialization. A CPA is the right tier when the return crosses into structural complexity. S-corp election triggering the 1120S plus K1 plus personal 1040 stack. Multi-member LLC filing Form 1065. Multi-state filing with nexus in 2 or more states. Foreign income, FEIE, FTC, FBAR, FATCA, covered in Module 18.5. QBI optimization near the phase-out threshold from Unit 15.9. The year you elected S-corp because Form 2553 timing has its own complexity. Contractors above 10,000 in any single payer category. Significant depreciation decisions. Prior year amendments. Any of those individually justifies the CPA tier. The cost reality across the 3 tiers is wide. DIY software runs 0 to 130 for a Schedule C return. EAs charge $300 to $800 for Schedule C plus state, $600 to $1,200 for moderate complexity. CPAs charge $800 to $1,500 for Schedule C plus state, $1,500 to $3,000 or more for an S-corp return plus personal 1040 plus state. The $1,500 CPA fee on a $120,000 net income S-corp return with QBI planning isn't expensive relative to the deductions it protects and the optimizations it captures. The Find Your CPA work from Module 3.3 anchors the selection conversation. The general selection scorecard, the engagement letter checklist, the questions to ask in a discovery call, those live in Module 3.3 and apply to any CPA you're evaluating. The tax prep specific filters add 3 criteria on top of the general scorecard. Look for CPAs who have prepared S-corp returns specifically for service businesses, who have run QBI calculations for SSTBs, and who have filed multi-state returns if you have any nexus situations. The general scorecard plus the 3 additions narrows the candidate list. Open the DI Quotes EA CPA decision tree and score your current situation against it. Mark each complexity factor that applies: S-corp election, multi-state nexus, QBI exposure near the phase-out, K1 income, foreign accounts, contractors above the thresholds. The scoring puts you in one of the 3 tiers. If the scoring lands you in CPA territory and you don't have a CPA engaged, return to Module 3.3 for the selection scorecard. The tax prep specific filters from this unit narrow the candidate list to CPAs with the experience your specific return shape actually requires.